Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today I attempted this IBPS PO prelims mock test from Olive Board as I wanted to attempt some PO level prelims mock test. So and the other thing is that yesterday I saw a comment in which it was written that you should focus on the SBI JA mains. Yes, I am focusing on the SBI JA mains, but whenever my mind gets frustrated with the mains level questions, then I try to attempt one mock test of prelims so that I can be in the race of prelims also, plus my mind also get released after attempting easy questions. So this is the reason why I am attempting the IBPS PO and like this type of prelims mock test. And the other thing is that IBPS PO notification is probably will be announced this month, so we should prepare for that also. Okay, so this is the reason, and now I will share you the scores. Plus this mock test is from Olive Board and this is the first free mock test which I have attempted today. So I have attempted 77 questions and got 70.75 marks. 72 were correct and 5 were wrong. Okay, so this is the rank. Then this is the like 5 questions are wrong and this is the top score. Now I will show you the section wise scores. So in English I attempted 30 questions but 4 questions were wrong and these 4 questions were of para jumbles. 1 question was wrong from vocab and 3 were wrong from para jumbles. Then there is quantitative aptitude. I attempted 28, but in quant I attempted 1 quadratic equation wrong. Then in reasoning I attempted 19 and all are correct. So total 5 questions are wrong. And then this is the score of all the sections. In English it is 25, then in quant it is 26.75 and in reasoning it was 19. In reasoning the puzzles were a little tricky as there were uncertain puzzles. Okay, like there was no main point was given. Then this is the percentile. In English it is 89, in quant it is 98.8, then in reasoning it is 87.4. This is the top score and this is the timing of English, then in quant and then in reasoning also. Okay, so this is the timings and this is the first free mock test of Olive Board. If you want to attempt this mock test, I will give you the link of this mock test in description. Okay, you can tap on this link and then you can go and attempt this mock test. I am repeating again, it is free, anyone can attempt this, so please try to attempt, and after that please try to write your score in the comment section of this video. I will be more than happy. So that's all. Thank you and all the best for your preparations.